It's that time of year again, and I wanted to share with you guys the before and after of my patio. Now, this is what my patio looked like previously. I absolutely loved color, and so I wanted to be sure to incorporate a lot of color on our patio. And I really did a lot of DIYs, and it took me a few years to get it all pulled together. But once it was pulled together, I absolutely loved it. And I will link those videos down below for you guys. But now I want to share with you what my patio looks like after several seasons of rain and thunderstorms. It is absolutely atrocious. My lamps had fallen. The wind had blown it over. You guys know. Oh my goodness, it just looked so awful. And I had gotten in the habit of keeping it really clean and tidy at least once a week, but we had gotten so much rain, like I had just given up. And so I have not touched my patio in almost a year. And it truly shows like all of the pollen and dust and dirt and things that had fallen over. It was just so bad. And we live on a golf course, and it's so important for us to keep our backyards looking really nice. But again, it had been raining so much, no one had really been playing golf. So I had not received a letter from our association, so that's a good thing. But after I walked out and looked at the patio, I knew it was time to do something. So I'm going to do a patio refresh. And first, we got to get started with getting it clean. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook, or even in my YouTube community group, you guys saw this post. This is the flower that I was talking about. I absolutely, oh my gosh, you need to read the backstory. Go visit me in my community or on Instagram or on Facebook to find out the meaning of that flower. So last year, I didn't do a lot of work on my patio. I did a lot of work in the landscaping, and I wanted to divide a lot of the flowers that I had, but they have grown so much and so quickly. Like I split the hostas, they've grown a lot. And also those are hydrangea plants, and so I split those two, and they have grown so big. But now we're going to take everything out. We're going to cull things out, and we're going to clean the patio and get it prepped for the refresh that I am doing this summer. So I hope you guys enjoy this clean with me. Very brief, but we're going to just start by getting all the things that were knocked over cleaned up. Removing a lot of the decor. I had a lot of small decor, but it has collected so much dust. And then if you can see, I had spray painted on the rug there. And I'm going to see if the guy who's doing the pressure washing for me can get the spray paint out of this rug. If not, then I'm going to have to get a new indoor-outdoor rug. But one of the great things about having that is that you can normally spray paint it. I mean, you can normally not spray paint it, clean it, and pressure wash it and remove a lot of things. So I'm not sure if the spray paint can be removed, but I absolutely love the color of this rug. The green is very neutral for me, so I hope that we're able to salvage the rug. If not, we are going to do something else, so we'll see. So I'm going to get all the furniture removed off the patio and into the backyard so that he can pressure wash the furniture and the padding and everything. So here is what it looks like after everything has been removed off. You guys can see all the dust. It looks, oh my gosh, I didn't realize how bad it looks, but it looks really bad. I'm also going to remove all of the indoor-outdoor curtains. Now this is a covered patio, but I still, you know, use the indoor-outdoor fabrics on everything. That's the dirty carpet that I was telling you about, the area that I spray painted. So I'm going to get those down, and I'm going to wash them. So here is what the patio looks like now. It is all swept. All the curtains have been removed. Everything is outside, and the guys are here to pressure wash It's Superior Cleaning. If you're in my area, they do such a phenomenal job, and the cost is just unbelievable. So I have all the other things in the house, like the lamps and all of the breakable things. I'm going to wash those down along with my melamine dishes. I'm going to wash all of that down while they get everything pressure washed. So I did not film the pressure washing, but here is the after. They did the ceiling, they did the windows, the door, all of the seals around the patio and the floor. It looks so amazing. Now, it did get dark, so they did not have the opportunity to do the rug, but they're going to come back tomorrow. Oh my gosh, look at the rug. They did get the spray paint out of the rug, you guys. I am so ecstatic about that. I have to run and meet with some clients at the studio, so I'm going to come back and put everything together. So be back in just a moment. Okay, so I have rearranged the patio. You guys let me know if you like this seating style. I do need to still dust the bar area and then also the drink dispenser area, but I have everything back up. I have culled out a lot of the pieces that I had before on the patio. I just wanted to keep it a little bit more simplistic, and I had shown you guys an inspiration picture of what I'm thinking about doing as far as the color to make it more of a she space. So you guys let me know, look at my community or on Instagram or Facebook to see that inspiration photo, and also let me know if you like this setup versus the previous setup that I had. I wanted to change it up just a little bit, but I'm wondering about what to put in those two corners on the patio. So leave me some ideas down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you aren't already a member of the Lux for Less family, we'd love to have you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, and be sure to check the community here on the community tab here on YouTube, as I'm making posts every single day. So here is what we're gonna go with for now. Let me know what you think about this setup in the comments below. I hope you guys have had a great, wonderful, awesome day. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.